Hello everyone, this is Julia from Melova. Melova is a professional manufacturer of PET and wooden slate acoustic piano in China. Today I would like to introduce our three-dimensional acoustic piano and wooden slate acoustic piano for wall decoration. Three-dimensional PET acoustic pianos offer a contemporary and innovative approach to wall decoration, seamlessly blending aesthetic appeal with outstanding sound absorption capabilities, crafted from recycled polyester fibers. Wooden slate acoustic piano